Hi friends, hope everybody's having a great day. Today we're in the kitchen and we are actually going to be making a sugar body scrub. So you're not actually going to eat this, although you could, but it is going to be amazing for exfoliating, which is perfect for wintertime when we all get super dry. I know in Denver I am so dry. So let's get started. In this bowl I have 2 cups of white sugar and 1 cup of cane sugar. And then to that I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. This is super easy. I promise it's so quick and you're going to love it. You can give it away as gifts, which is what I'm going to do. I have it over here, some canning jars that I used for those candles that we made. I had some extra left over, so they're the perfect thing to put those in. And then here I have some essential oil. This is kind of a combo of lavender, ylang ylang. Honestly, you can do whatever floats your boat. So whatever you like, whatever smells good to you, you can pour it on in. So we're just gonna go ahead and dump that in. Make sure we get it all out. And we're gonna stir it on up. And if you find that you need a little bit more olive oil, I've left that out because I think I might need a little bit more. There's some left in here, but 1/4 of a cup might not be enough, but we're gonna get stirring and see. Guys, this smells amazing. I have tried not to eat a ton of refined sugar lately, so I kind of just want to eat this bowl of sugar, although I shouldn't. So this looks so good. This is perfect for if you're bathing and you just need a good exfoliator. This is perfect. Also with Easter coming up, I kind of had the idea of just doing Easter baskets for like your friends, so for adults. I know it's traditionally something we do for kids when we're younger, but it's actually one of my very, very favorite things. So this is something that you could put in a cute little basket with one of those candles, and you'll have just kind of a cute little gift for one of your friends. So that's always a great, great idea. Okay, I'm loving how this is mixing together and looking. Just trying to get all that olive oil mixed in there. I'm actually going to take a little bit more and just drizzle it over the top. So maybe you need a little bit more than 1/4 of a cup. It doesn't hurt either way, however you like it. If you like it a little bit more olive oil, you can also use coconut oil, liquid form. I have that as well, but I find that olive oil is good. It's a little bit less expensive than me using my liquid coconut oil that is pretty expensive. So I always opt for something like that. And then if you had something like some dried lavender, you could put that in here as well, and that would smell amazing. This actually smells so good. I'm gonna make sure I got all those oils out of there. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so now we have that pretty much mixed up. I like the consistency, and now I'm gonna take it and start putting it into our little cans. The reason, just so you guys know, that I used a mixture of regular white sugar and the cane sugar is just to give it that different colors. If you only had cane sugar or if you only had white sugar, feel free to use what you have. It's better to use up what you have than to go to the store and buy new. But if you're going to the store to buy both, if you don't have either, I would suggest getting a little mixture. So I'm just scooping it in, filling it on up like that, packing it down a little bit. It smells so, so good. And then I'm just gonna take my lid and seal it on there. Something you'll want to keep in mind with these is they don't keep forever. So if you're constantly sticking your hands kind of in and out of a jar, it's not going to keep forever. They do, I believe they get mold, so you'll want to just be careful of that. So if you're taking a bath and you want to use one for yourself, maybe make like 5 or 6 of these. We have enough for something like that, and use one at a time, so you just use it up. This is inexpensive to make, so you can make enough for single time use if you want to. Okay, that looks good there. Seal that on up. I like these jars because they get nice and tight. And they're also just a perfect size if you want to give them away as gifts. Okay, we're on the last one. We're almost there. Looks like I have enough for plenty more, so I'm gonna have to get a bigger size can. Another thing that you could put in a scrub like this is some Himalayan sea salt. That is a great addition to a scrub, or also coffee. Coffee makes a great addition to a scrub. I love that as well. Okay, there you have it. We have our last one sealed up and these are ready to go. Lastly, if you are creative, you can also get a little circular sticker, stick it on top and write someone's name. Just the perfect little addition. Okay, thank you guys for watching and tuning into my channel. Head over to the blog for all things entertainment, style, decor, and DIY. Hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye.